Have you ever sent a text and your phone instantly knew you were trying to type there when you accidentally wrote there? Or maybe you asked your voice assistant to set an alarm and, even though you mumbled, it understood you perfectly. How do these machines make sense of our sometimes sloppy, unpredictable language? Today, we're going on a journey, one that's all about how AI unravels the mystery of words and meaning. Imagine you're at a massive dinner party. All around you, people are talking. Some are using slang, some have thick accents, and everyone's conversation is a little bit different. But somehow, you can usually understand what they're trying to say even if they mumble, mispronounce, or stumble over their words. How? You take clues from the words before and after, from tone, from context. Now, imagine you're an AI. You don't really know anything about dinner parties, jokes, or what people want. All you have is a mountain of data, words, sentences, phrases, mashed together in every possible order. How do you figure out what someone means? It feels impossible. But here's where the detective story begins. Let's talk about the magic trick, context. Think about reading a mystery novel. On page 1, you read, "The man put the bags in the..." Your brain automatically fills in trunk, closet, car, maybe even grocery cart, right? You can guess, because you've seen words like these follow in a story. AI does something similar. Early computers couldn't do this, though. They'd see the word trunk and have no idea if it meant a car trunk, an elephant's nose, or a pirate's treasure chest. But then, researchers gave AIs a superpower, the ability to look at the words around a word. Imagine if a computer was reading "an elephant wrapped its trunk around a branch." Even if it didn't know biology, it can see elephant and wrapped and around a branch. Pretty good clues, right? Here's the trick, AI maps words into a kind of language puzzle or maze, called a word space. It learns that words used in similar sentences end up closer together. So king and queen are near each other, trunk and branch might cluster together with elephant, and trunk and car are found near road trip or luggage. That way, the AI has a gut feeling, just like you, about what each word probably means. But it gets even cooler. When you make a typo, like typing HTE instead of the, your phone thinks, people often type these letters close together when they mean the. And in this sentence, it fits better than hat or hot dot. It's piecing together clues from the words around it, just like Sherlock Holmes. This is why modern AIs are getting so good at finishing your texts, answering your questions, and even translating languages. They aren't perfect, they still stumble over jokes, puns, and sarcasm. But for the basics, they become super detectives, following trails in the word maze until they find the most likely meaning. Let's try a real-world example. Imagine you write, "The bat flew out of the cave." An AI's word map puts bat near cave, flew, and night, probably an animal, not a baseball bat. If you write, "He swung the bat at the ball," swung, ball,